they're off. West Hills Giant over at the rail. Reno right alongside. Madam 3 wide. Captain Gogan 4 wide heading for the turn. Sunstorm is very keen to go on, and he'll take to the outside moving into the clubhouse turn. Deferred Asset trying to back off that pace a bit. And Old Palamon trails the field as they round the clubhouse turn, and Reno has seized command. Reno in front. Captain Gogan now. Motors up alongside in second. The big favorite here, West Hills Giants, gets a good spot early on now. On the fence and running along in third. On the far outside, Sunstorm is beginning to move up now from fourth. In between horses, Madam Adam. And back to the trailers, another 2 lengths to Deferred Asset. And on the outside, Old Palamon. So it's Reno, the controlling speed here, maintaining a 1-length margin over Captain Gogan through a half mile, tepid 48 2/5 seconds. West Hills Giant has had a beautiful journey so far, just in behind the leader, Reno. As they move into the far turn, it's still Reno 3/4 of a length. Captain Gogan trying to get to him now. West Hills Giant, Old Palamine rocketing past horses, but he's forced to go 4 wide with that move. And off the inside has come Madam as the field turns for home. Reno set down for the drive. West Hills Giant will try to come through on the rail. Captain Gogan fighting on. Those 3 headlong into the final furlong. West Hills Giant trying to get past a stubborn Reno, but Reno is an obstinate foe today, and Reno will go wire to wire to win it. Reno, a length and a quarter on the line. It wound up being a tight photo for second between West Hills Giant and Captain Gogan. Old Palamine was fourth.